In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a phone size on Instagram app that is quite simple and easy to do. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. And let me show you how current default font is a. Looks like here you can check it. And now if you want to increase that font size, all you have to do is swipe down from the right-hand corner to open up Control Center. And here just stop at that. Double icon to bring up text size feature. By default, text size set to 100%, and you can drag the slider up or down to change the text size for Instagram only or for all apps. You can switch between the two features. So if I want to increase text size, all I have to do is just select some like that level. And it's some glitching for now, as you can see. And if I'll open up Instagram again here, as you can see, phone size is increased. I can in any time hop out, hit at that feature, and change text size to any that I want. If you can't find this feature right here, you can hop out Instagram, then open up Settings. Scroll down for a bit and hit at Control Center. There, you have to place this text size feature right here. At Included Controls, if you can't find it here, you can find it at More Controls. Just go through all that list and hit at that plus sign next to text size to add it to Included Control. So now you can hop out and use this feature. I hope this helps you out. So don't forget to like and subscribe.